In our busy modern life, we often eat without thinking. We eat while watching videos, checking our phones, or working on our computers. Many people finish a meal, and I can't even remember what the food tasted like. But eating can be something much deeper. It can be a way to care for both body and mind. This idea is called culinary mindfulness, eating with attention, calmness, and gratitude. Mindful eating is not a diet or a rule. It is a gentle way to bring peace into your daily life. It means you pay attention to your food, your body, and your feelings when you eat. When you practice it, you give love and care to yourself. You also start to understand how food affects your energy, your emotions, and your happiness. Think about how you usually eat. Do you eat slowly or quickly? Do you really taste your food, or do you eat while thinking about something else? Many of us eat too fast. We eat because we are bored, stressed, or sad, not because we are hungry. This habit can make our bodies tired and our minds restless. But when we slow down and eat mindfully, something beautiful happens. The same simple meal feels richer and more satisfying. Imagine you are sitting with a warm bowl of rice, some vegetables, and a piece of fish. You take a deep breath and look at the food. You notice its colors and smell. You feel thankful for the people and nature that made this meal possible. You take a small bite and chew slowly. You really taste it. You feel the texture and flavor. At that moment, eating becomes more than just eating. It becomes an experience. When you eat like this, you begin to listen to your body. You can feel when you are full and when you are truly hungry. You stop eating just to fill empty emotions. You eat because your body needs energy. This simple change can bring more peace and health to your life. Culinary mindfulness also helps you understand your emotions. Many people use food to escape feelings such as loneliness, anger, or sadness. They eat to forget their problems. But mindful eating invites you to pause and ask yourself, am I really hungry? Or am I trying to hide a feeling? This honest question helps you know yourself better. Gratitude is another important part of mindful eating. When we feel grateful for our food, we understand that many people and natural forces work together to create it. The farmer who grew the vegetables, the sun and rain that helped them grow, the person who cooked the meal, all of them are part of this moment. When you see food in this way, it becomes something sacred, something to respect and enjoy. Eating with mindfulness can also change how you see your body. Instead of fighting with it or judging it, you start to listen to it. You give your body what it needs with kindness. You realize that health is not just about how you look, but about how you feel inside, balanced, strong, and calm. In today's world, many people live with stress and hurry. They skip breakfast, eat fast food, or drink too much coffee. Their bodies become tired, and their minds lose focus. Mindful eating helps you break this pattern. When you eat slowly, your body relaxes. Your stomach digests better. Your breathing becomes steady. You feel more grounded and alive. Scientists have also found that mindful eating can improve health. It can help people eat less, control weight, and reduce stress. It can even make people feel happier because they connect more deeply with their bodies. But beyond science, mindful eating brings simple joy. It turns an everyday meal into a small moment of peace. You don't need to change your whole diet to start. Begin with one meal a day. Before eating, put away your phone or TV. Sit quietly for a few seconds. Look at your food. Take a deep breath. Notice its smell, shape, and color. Think about where it came from. Then eat slowly. Chew carefully. Enjoy each bite. Feel how the food gives you energy and warmth. You can also practice mindfulness while cooking. Cooking is not only about making food, it's also about creating energy and care. When you wash vegetables, chop them, or stir a pot, try to do it with full attention. Listen to the sounds. Smell the spices. Feel the rhythm of your hands. Cooking can be a way to calm your mind and show love to yourself and others. In many cultures, people already eat mindfully. For example, in Japanese temples, monks eat in silence and with gratitude. In some families around the world, people say thank you before eating. These traditions remind us that food connects us to the world, to other people, and to something greater than ourselves. When we understand this, we begin to eat with more love. We choose fresh and healthy ingredients. We avoid wasting food. We eat what supports our body and respects the planet. Mindful eating is not only good for us, but also good for the earth. When we know where our food comes from and how it affects others, we make kinder choices. Culinary mindfulness does not mean perfection. It doesn't mean you must always eat healthy food or never enjoy sweets. You can still eat your favorite pizza or ice cream. The key is to eat with awareness. Enjoy the taste slowly. Feel grateful for it. Notice how it makes you feel afterward. The goal is not strict control. It is balance and understanding. As you practice, you may notice small but deep changes. You feel lighter and calmer after meals. You stop eating when you are full. You enjoy food more and stress less. Your body feels stronger and your mind feels clearer. You may even discover that you don't need as much food as before to feel satisfied. Mindful eating can also help your relationships. When you share a meal, be truly present. Talk, laugh, and listen. Don't rush. Eating together can be one of the most beautiful ways to connect with others. In many cultures, sharing food means sharing love. Our world moves very fast. We are always busy doing, producing, and consuming. But when we slow down to eat mindfully, we remember what really matters. We remember that food is not just something to fill our stomach. It is something that gives us life and connects us to everything around us. So next time you sit down to eat, take a breath. Look at your food. Smell it. Taste it slowly. Feel grateful for it. Let your meal become a small act of love for your body, for your mind, and for the earth that gives it to you. When you eat this way, every bite becomes a moment of peace. Every meal becomes a gift. You begin to live more mindfully, not only when you eat, but in everything you do. Because when you are truly present, life feels richer, calmer, and more real. And maybe this is the true meaning of holistic well-being, not just being healthy, but feeling alive, thankful, and connected in every small moment, including the ones spent at the table.